for you to mix comedy with music and drama and every other thing, how you take come about them? What to make you do them? As in, I don't understand how I take ask this question. How you take rearrange them to grease? Okay, Nadi, how I go to do my zingus?
Actually, it's in a zingus. Actually, nobody say I just think I'm say okay, this thing go good. All those things are things I really like doing. I like to sing. I like to play instruments, and my mom say encourage me in all those things. You get, for like in school, my school where I graduated from, everybody know me. Say I did do comedian and they play guitar for the school. Then when I go do NYSC, I did my NYSC in Lagos camp. The comedy competition I won. The singing competition I won.
Only you.
You get on
Yeah.
the babe competition.
You are not easy at all.
You win babe competition.
Ministry.
Gio!
So from
My
there,
Gio!
so from there, and again, another thing, they say most of those days when I go climb, they always do stand-up comedy normally, but you go realize, say, maybe you no get that huge platform, so your own joke where you crack for a small place, another person will come carry am, go crack am. They will come, they think, say, I had a girlfriend once, she heard my joke from me, she can't say a copy person, because she heard that joke from somewhere, but now my joke, you get. So I can't think and say, okay, if I did do, make I carry piano play, sing the joke with song. Person will come consciously sing my song after me, you understand? And like play, people can't like my style, the way I do them. Especially like when I did that, the way the thing blow from there. I just look, say, okay, it's a good ministry, it's not a bad one.
And now when you just get idea, not be say you plan.
The secret behind all these ideas be say, anything will come my head, I know the question now. Because most of the things we don't blow where I do, and things we normally when you think and you go think, say, are you stupid? Why would you do this kind of thing? But I can't do them, I can't blow. Like the Aye thing, the Chris Brown in the Joe Chris Brown himself actually retweeted that one. When I wake up, my phone was vibrating. People will don't mention me because he retweet. So anything will come my head. I just do them like that, and I thank God. Now God, I go thank.
So but which one you like pass? Now I'm not saying you like all of them the same. Now the singing, now the comment. Now the comment. Now the acting. What do you call again? Saying they do production. Which one you like pass? No, be the one where they bring you
money
pass. Yours, which one you like pass?
Now too, I like to sing and I like to make people laugh. I like to sing a lot. Now the making people laugh came from, I grew up with a single mom, you get. My mom see those days, because now 6 of us, she hustle, so she they cry. She used to, any small thing, my mom would they cry. She could just, she could not laugh with us outside, she would come sit down, only ham from inside the house. Like when I enter room sometimes, I just see my mom see they cry. Maybe she just they think of things, you get. So, and me, I'm not the man of all those consoling words, you understand? Say, mommy. So I like to just do things where we make them laugh. So from there, I don't like to be around, I don't like to be in an environment where people go, they sad. So, like I saw my picture from, I don't even believe my picture, but like when I was like 10, 11 years old, like I'd be maybe 7 years old, I was like in primary 3 or thereabouts. I was acting and making people laugh. You get, like unconsciously, I would just like to make my environment lively. So from there. So those two things, I like to make people laugh, then I like to sing. Because I love music.
You did Wazobia FM. You get program when it be say they air every 11 o'clock on Sunday. Gospel top 10 on top Wazobia FM. Since when you enter,
stupid things when they tell you they sing, you put your name inside one song like this. You know they fear anybody.
Now wait, you go say being on Wazobia FM, you go say he help you spreadiga
I don't know, she no get PhD.
Why you not talking?
No,
talk about it.
Me and you.
You go say Wazobia FM help you to not good platform for you to make people know you more.
It was a major platform actually, because as soon as I finished NYSC, from NYSC somebody invited me for a show on one other radio station, one comedy show, The Dawn Comedian. So I cracked jokes on that show and people liked it. So somebody heard me. Then hooks me up to come and do my NYC here in Wazobia. Then when I got to Wazobia FM, that 1 year, by God's grace and some other things that were happening, I worked a lot and I changed the whole sound of Wazobia.
Yes, that one I know.
They can't retain me. They say,
how long you don't sit down inside that Wazobia?
Now, I did my NYC 2011, so now from that 2011, so they can't retain me. But now, Wazobia, like, that's the platform we got to use. Because now, from all those sweepers where they do, people start to hear, who be this EmmaOhMyGod guy? Who be this EmmaOhMyGod?
You one stupid Wazobia something where they always
all of them stupid. Everything I don't do.
Say after me, wazo. See, who be this person?
So yeah, that was like, it was my production in Wazobia that first brought my name out. Like, because there I now had the platform. I am still the voice of Wazobia and the major producer. So anything I produce in Lagos, they play it in Abuja, Port Harcourt, and Kano. So that one alone.
That one alone don't spread the name well.
Places where people don't hear my name. So now where I can't put face to the thing with all the comedy where they do now, to just like stamp on that platform where I don't get.
And you say you help yourself, because if you look at after you sing all those crazy songs finish, you could say this now, oh my God.
You understand?
You could just sing say na normal something.
You feel tell him mama make it talk good morning, you say good morning.
Good morning. Oh my God. Give me five.
Now the market.
Well, you understand all those
I don't understand them before.
Now, you get one question when enter my mind. It's not there among the question what I want to ask you, but it enter my mind to ask you. I will ask you later. But why comedy? Why because what you study for school to start with? I know you go Convenant University.
Brother.
Make I know ask. What you study for school?
Electrical and electronics engineering.
Say it again, make people hear you well.
And
So you are electrician.
Electrical
Now for me.
Electrical
I follow
engineer.
electrician.
Electrical engineer.
Come follow me.
Forget that thing. Electrical engineer and electrician them be.
So you come
mechanical engineer. No mechanic. See, I be accountant.
So if you tell Emma what is his study.
You be accountant, you be thrift collector. If I be electrician, you be thrift collector.
My brothers, you don't understand. Leave Katim waiting she dey talk. Now, if person will do engineering, go fit do IT for police station. Waiting remain for this country. Waiting remain for this country.
Go look the major people who don't blow for waiting that they do. Not be waiting they study.
Not waiting they study for school with that.
True.
All these school, I think there should be another way that they discover children.
Because for Yankee, not be so.
They could not know what you did
From
for
small.
No, time no need to discover for where.
Because who want even discover? Person who want discover, I never discover.
He never discover. He never chop food. He never chop food. For Yankee, the feel hey, George Bush.
He can talent.
Oh yeah, spit. You can't spit. Your spit will call long. This guy will say, okay, this guy is going to be a spitist. They go carry and they go Olympic. To go spit.
Get money from spit.
Spit.
The way it just a play game for YouTube. People they watch and play game.
People they watch them to they play game.
You know, say stress too many for here. Nobody get that patience to sit down and say, okay, come my pikin, let's talk. What do you like? What do you not like?
That
no,
time,
I want to be tailor.
Business for somewhere.
Now, if I make I ask you one question, you don't do into comedy now. Like how many years now you go say you don't do into comedy?
If you say day into comedy all my life, no, make I not say all my life, like but since
professionally.
Okay, professionally. I started stand-up comedy when I got to school. That's university 2005. That's when I started standing on stage. But being on big stages now, when I graduate, like 2010.
2010.
Like the first major stage I was on was Julius Agu's Festival of Love. Okay. That was in Lagos then. I went to Abuja before. So
now he say, you just come, they look you. He knows you get promise.
Yeah, Julius, I'd met Julius before, like with my friends. I'd gone to his office, going to say, bros, if you do this thing. But then, anybody if he come meet him, say, bros. Of course. So nothing happened from there. Then when he now came to Wazobia and he saw me, he was like, I know this boy. I can't tell him, say, bros, yeah.
I don't come to your office before you
win
just
NYC
like
competition. Now that NYC competition where I'm winning, I can't tell him. I can't say, okay, let me give you a chance. And when I performed at the show, I had a standing ovation like it was. Everybody came and was like, nice one. So from there, just thank God.
What be your first experience on top stage? How it be?
It was awesome because I went.
They perspire.
The story. I went to Covenant University and when the first 3 weeks, I was like, God, I don't go fit stay here. They were too serious. Like everything was lecture here. This one you have to wait. I'm like, no. So they now had one variety night. They called it any talent where you get. And for my mind, I don't talk because the way I look the setting, I look say they no go fit gree. So I say, make I just go stage, make I crack joke, make they expel me, make I go say, me I no fit cope for here. But it now turned the other way. I went on stage and it was awesome. Everybody was screaming. I was like, no, me they scream for, but we can't get one thing will happen. In the middle of my joke, you get one joke where they crack. I never reach anywhere. I know, say I never reach the funny part. They can't start to they shout. The noise can't increase. I can't look, say, no, this noise not go be for me. I can't look. I can't say the papa himself or the depot, they walk inside. Wow. At that point, I almost pissed for, but they say, God, it don't be for me today. I go, they go out. It just come sit down. They can't say, make I continue. As I continue, the way the man, they laugh that day, he won't hit his head for chair. Now there I just look, say, no, this
is the
the
street of gold.
And from there, that place also was a major platform for me because I performed in front of different, like I performed in front of the president of, was it Zimbabwe then, Neves Mumba. You know, a lot of great people used to come to the school. Obasanjo, like all the board of regents. So I had enough connection.
And you say that time you hungry well. You know, say when you hungry, now in the ginger.
I don't bring my video. If you see my video, oh God,
you seen where you be like AIDS ambassador.
You dey crazy because I go break this your teeth for your head. I no go talk say we dey TV.
Anyway, in case you just join us, we get EmmaOhMyGod. The guy when he be say the guy is a valap tooth hengus bungus. Somebody when we say I respect well when it comes to comedy, when it comes to music production, when it comes to G-O-ness, if you understand what I mean.
They will not understand. Let's keep it. The G-O-ness is between us. Don't go into.
I don't trust you.
Don't go. You have not done PhD.
You look like a better person.
You have not done PhD.
My
Don't go
inner
into
spirit,
G-O-ness.
man, you are otherwise.
Amber, waiting. Are you Ambody? Why are you Amboring?
Make we enter market, so we'll come back. We'll go continue with one video of EmmaOhMyGod, and then we'll go continue with EmmaOhMyGod for inside studio. Will they come back?
Make it no kill him.
My brother go kill him again. Emma, tell us, what's in your? How long it take for you to put this video together?
This video was one day.
One day.
People don't believe. People think say maybe I spent like a week. It was one day we shot the video.
One day.
I recorded the song in one day, another day. Maybe like I think a week before. Then I arranged the video in my head. Then on a Sunday we shot the video.
Okay. Wait till you go call your major break on top comedy.
Major break, like in terms of videos, where I don't do
videos and comedy.
Now that Davido Aye where I do,
video.
I him bring my name out. That the Nigeria Babes response to Davido's video. That thing was everywhere. Yes. Then the next one that was everywhere like that was that Beyonce, Nigerian Beyonce.
Nigerian Beyonce.
So yeah, but that Davido's one was it brought my name out, and that was where people knew me from and everything. So. And I thank God I was able to follow up and
you understand, do other things.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, we're ready to take one or two calls. Our phone numbers there on top of TV. Make a call. Just one or two calls before Karaoke come inside studio. At least one call. Make a talk to EmmaOhMyGod. When I know Vex say we'll not take on a call since Emma will still come back on top of the night show because time not there at all. Emma will still come back. Make a follow and discuss on top of the night show. But before we get the phone call, if he go come, Emma tell us which challenge. What you go say, okay, now this thing be the wahala why the always get for comedy industry for Nigeria and how you take handle them?
Major wahala, Shana, resources. You get enough things in my head where I really want to, but I never really get the resources. But I thank God, God.
What be resources now? Money be resources. You just call them as it be now.
Majorly money, you get because now money I will take buy things that like I don't do my show once, but I've not been able to do another one because I was the one that majorly sponsored that first one. You get. And like Momsi and Popsi, they don't work out. But I thank God they help and everything. But that's the major challenges. Then here and there, but that one I don't get over that one. Like people could just hate you for no reason.
Of course,
like negative comments on some things. Where you will see say a lot of people like something. One person could just go for some.
But that
one.
But you get a lot of fans around country. They don't tweet say you dey very talented, very blessed. So people they recognize what you they do. And that one come matter pass now.
Like even ordinary Instagram, the kind of things where they get from there. Like I don't get enough people who don't even invite me for shows for UK. Like this Friday night, I suppose go Ghana, but I no go feel go because of one or two things. So like recognition day from beyond and so.
Now you're hard work now.
Oscoff.
What you reap? What you reap? You sow. No.
What you reap? You.
No. What you sow?
Some reap they somewhere, so they somewhere.
Yeah.
Something you sow, you reap, you reap, so all of them.
All of them, something they somewhere. Now,
before you go come back next time for the show, but what do you make people expect from EmmaOhMyGod?
Yeah, like we are really going in big time.
No, Emma, you get something where they work on now.
Okay, yeah. There's this Mayweather fight will happen.
When they come back, when Emma come back,
I'm dropping something tomorrow on the Mayweather fight that happened. Like you guys, you never expected it. You guys. So just
now quickly, before we come up for inside studio, time not day. For those who want to follow you for all your social media,
you know hard now.
Nedu your social media handles.
Guess.
EmmaOhMyGod now. Stop. I know I'm now. EmmaOhMyGod now. So. I know him. Why I not go my gas
Facebook,
EmmaOhMyGod.
EmmaOhMyGod. Instagram,
no, oh my God.
Twitter, Vine, na Ohma.
No be Oh My. EmmaOhMyGod.
Yeah.
So make you follow Emma on top Twitter, on top Instagram, on top Facebook.
Oh, put a Kelechi say, love won't kill me, that Emma don't kill me with this Ifechi. Kudos, bros, more blessing.
Yeah. If they want to see that video, if you check them on YouTube, my YouTube page, just search for my name, you will see.
If you want to watch more of Emma videos, make a carry waka go on top YouTube, search EmmaOhMyGod on top YouTube. You go see more of EmmaOhMyGod
then Instagram
videos.
too, daily.
Instagram, all of them. Every day, Emma they put videos. And that one they come out maybe this night or tomorrow. And then Mayweather. On another Saturday, Pacquiao and Mayweather fight. Mayweather was jumping around. So that Mayweather dance.
Nedu you sit down and watch that Isa. Because Meneke call his name very well. Pakwaya.
Anyway, good night till tomorrow. Make una get better.
Bye.